What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. My name is faithdominic. If you're stepping back for the first time, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to create a makeup tutorial. So I'm cleaning my face, using my face so to cleanse my face. Then I moisturize and I prime. Then before going to my foundation, but I didn't show all that in this video, you know. So for foundation, I'll be using the Loreal, the Zikel, and the Fit Me foundation. Okay, the Maybelline Fit Me. So I mixed the three shades together to get this perfect color that you are seeing right here. It matched to my skin tone very well. So this is my perfect shade. So I'm using a brush from Beauty Plan to apply it in. Okay, then I move to my beauty sponge to just type in the foundation. And I hardly do this, okay? So because I'm not going anywhere, that is why I'm using my beauty sponge. On normal notes, I don't use my beauty sponge to apply foundation, okay? So you can use a beauty sponge, you cannot use it, depending on what you love, okay? So I'm just blending the foundation in, okay, and tapping in the foundation, blending it to my face. Okay, so before next, I'm gonna use my setting spray, the aloe vera setting spray, to spray my face, okay, which I'm gonna do now, to spray my face. Then after that, I'll press the setting spray in with my beauty sponge, okay? So this will help my foundation to last more. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna highlight using the Ushas concealer palette. I'm using that shade over there to highlight. Like I said, this concealer is really affordable. It's really affordable, and the color inside, you can use for fair, but they don't have much color for dark skin, okay? Just this color is manageable. The rest color is really too light, okay? So I'm just applying it, the part that we apply our highlighter on. I have a detailed video on how to highlight and contour, so I'm gonna link it up there so you watch it after watching this one, okay? It's very detailed, and I believe you learn a lot from it if you want to learn how to highlight and contour. Alright, so I'm not gonna explain much on this. So after that, I'm using the Sacha buttercup to bake no, to set my face, not to bake. I'm sorry about that. So there's a color of the setting powder, and it's really good. All right, so I'm just using my beauty sponge to apply it in. I'm setting, I'm not baking, so don't apply much on your face. Okay, you need to set them before going for baking. So I'm just using my beauty sponge to just apply it in. Like I said, I have a very detailed video for this, so explaining it is kind of some hard to me again. So just check that my video out. It's really detailed. I explained all this over there, so just go and check it out. All right, not eye contour, I didn't even explain about this because I explained a lot of that video. Just go and check that video out. All right, so I'm just applying it in the highlighted part of my face, the flats that I applied the concealer on. That is the part that you need to set before going to your setting, to set the rest part of your face. All right. So I use it as a setting powder to just set the rest part of my face, the shade that I just showed you. Alright, so after that, so I'm just make sure you set everywhere, let everywhere be blended in before applying anything on your face. So this really helps. Use a brush like this, use a big brush to just pack it in. Moving on to brows, I'm just brushing my brow hair upward, and I'm using the David brow pencil to draw my brows. I have a detailed brow tutorial too, so you can check it out. It's really very detailed too, how to draw your brow. I really go so in depth. So I got you covered if you want to learn everything about makeup. Alright, so the brow, the highlighter, the contour, I got it covered. Just check the video out. Alright, I promise you love it. So, but I still go a bit detailed in this one. I'm just drawing my brow right now. Alright, so I didn't have no brow, so I'm just following the natural line that I have already there. Alright, so just take the time to do this process. I did the brush, just using this one shade color 18 to just draw the brows. I use two color. Alright. Now I'm lighting using the Ushas concealer palette, that shade I just showed you to highlight my brows, and I use my foundation, the Loreal foundation, to highlight my brows. I really love using the Loreal foundation for myself. It can easily blend into my skin too. That is why I love using it. Alright, but you can use concealer, but all the color there, all the shade over that facial concealer palette is too harsh, and the elegant concealer that I have is too light. It's not full coverage, so I can't use it to highlight my brows. Alright, so I'm just using this brush that I got from Jumia to just, it came with my set of brush. Alright, I also show it very well in that my brow tutorial. Okay, so just take a time, don't be in a hurry, or don't just feel as if you want the brow to just come out of a while. No, it's little by little. The more you do it, the more you get used to it. Nobody is perfect when it comes to brow. That is the truth. You can do it today and get it so right, so perfect. The next day you will not be this perfect. Alright, so just go with the flow, do what you can do, and just leave the rest. Right. So for the top part, I'll be using the L'Oreal foundation to highlight the top part of my brows. Alright. Now I'm gonna bake using the Sacha buttercup to bake. Okay, then for eyeshadow fallout, so I'm just using my beauty blender to just apply it in. Okay, and I'm still gonna use it to do a reverse contour over there. I contour, but this thing will just make it to come up a bit. So for eyeshadow, I'll be using this by set of highlighting and contour over here as my eyeshadow for this video. Alright, so you can use whatever you have. The product is really wasting because I'm not using it to contour or to highlight my face. So instead of wasting it, and say, okay, let me just try it on eyeshadow, so let me see how it turns up. So after just blending that shade in, I'm using my eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes before going to the eyeshadow properly. Understand? So I'm just using my brush to just apply it in. Alright, it's done. Then I'm using that shade over there. That shade for the bronzer, understand, as my main color. I'm just using a flat brush to just apply it in. Look at the way it's just pumping out. It's really good. You can actually use it, and if you have this one, it's from Class A. Okay, so you can actually use as your eyeshadow too, and it's really nice, and it can last. Understand, it stay for long. It doesn't really move, so if it's still there for how many hours, so still I really recommend this. You can use this, you can get it from close by supermarket. Understand? So I'm just pressing the product in, then I'm using that that shade over there. It's called. So for my lip, I'll be using my lip gloss and my foundation. Yes, my foundation, the L'Oreal foundation. You know, it's really dark and it will give me that brown effect I'm always looking for. That is why I like it. Then I'm using the concealer right now to just apply it in. Okay, so this is all I'm gonna explain in this video, so continue watching, and please give me a thumbs up by liking, commenting. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, love you. See you next time in my video. Enjoy the rest of the part of the video. So I'm just using a brush from my color palette, then I set the rest part of my face. Alright, so just enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.